Welcome dear students to Wisdom Shots. Today we are going to discuss about the flower. It is very important. It is a chapter mentioned in your first PUC biology textbook. So what is a flower? Flower, as you know, is a modified shoot meant for sexual reproduction. And as you know that it is the only group of plants which having the flower are angiosperm. So it is a characteristic feature of group of angiospermic plant. So as you know that the smallest flower is Wolffia, about some mm, whereas as you know the largest flower is Rafflesia, which is up to 6 to 8 feet. So what are the types of flower? So flower can be differentiated based on symmetry, based on sex organs, and based on the components of the flower. So as you know that based on symmetry, they can be divided into mainly two types: symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical is further divided into bilateral symmetry, that is zygomorphic, and radial symmetry, that is actinomorphic. And asymmetrical. So what is symmetry? Symmetry is the part of the flower around the central axis. So a zygomorphic flower can be divided into two equal halves in only one vertical plane, whereas the radial symmetrical flower can be divided into more than one plane in vertical planes. Next, as you know that about the reproductive organs of the flower. So it can be divided into unisexual flower and bisexual flower. Unisexual flower having single sex organ or reproductive organ, whereas bisexual flower having both male and the female reproductive organs. We can give an example. Unisexual flower, for example, we can give example of cucumber, coconut. These are the examples of unisexual flower, whereas bisexual flower, pea, hibiscus, etc.